Come along with us today as we make homemade Christmas ornaments.
Yeah.
Are we making ornaments today?
Yeah.
Yeah, where are we gonna put them? Are we gonna put them on our Christmas tree? We are. The Christmas tree like on your shirt. All right, so let's get started. We have to make our ornament dough. All right, for this homemade ornament dough, we need 4 cups of all-purpose flour. Do you want to get that? All right, how about I'll scoop it and then you dump it. Here we go. There's 1 cup. Can you dump that one? Good job. All right, we need 3 more. 3 more cups of flour. Let's see if I can level it off. All right, that was 1 cup. Here comes another one. That will make 2 cups. All right, so we need 4 cups, so we need 2 more cups. All right, here's number 3. All right, last cup, and then we're gonna move on to our salt. All right, here's number 4. Here's the last cup of flour. It's kind of heavy. Good job. All right, now we need 1 cup of salt. Here we go. And we gotta remember not to eat this dough. Can't eat this dough. Sometimes you can eat cookie dough, but we can't eat this dough because it's got so much salt in it. It'll make your tummy hurt. Okay? Are you mixing up the flour for us? All right, now can you dump this salt in there, please? Thank you. Wow, that is a lot of salt. All right, last step. Water. We need 1.5 cups of water. You ready to pour it? Here we go. All right, that's just 1 cup. Now let me get a 1/2 cup and we'll be all finished. All right, there's 1/2 of a cup. So now we have 1.5 cups of water. Now we need to take this wooden spoon and stir it really good. Let's stir slow though, okay? Real slow. There you go. Good job. Gotta mix all that salt and flour together. What kind of shapes are you gonna make today?
Tree.
You're gonna make a tree. What about a gingerbread man? What about a candy cane? And what about a snowman? Those are all gonna be really cute. And then when they're dry, you know what we're gonna do? Do you know what we're gonna do when they're dry? What? We're gonna paint them. And then we're gonna hang them on our tree when the paint is dry. Won't that be cool? Look at that dough, it's so sticky. All right, buddy, how's it looking? Does it look like we're almost ready to make ornaments? I think so too. All right, let's take it out of the bowl and we're gonna knead it. We have to knead it for 3 to 5 minutes, okay? All right, let's take it out. All right, keep kneading it. Yep, there you go. We gotta knead it for 3 to 5 minutes. And then we're gonna roll it out with our rolling pin, okay? You're doing a good job. Is it hard work? It's hard work kneading it, isn't it? You gotta keep it together though. Let's keep it together. All right, keep squishing it. Keep rolling it. All right, you're almost there. All right, I'm gonna go get the rolling pin. All right, now we gotta roll our dough out so it's nice and flat. There you go, good job. Good job, using that rolling pin, Rhett. Make it nice and flat so those cookie cutters will work. There you go. Is it flat? All right. Which cookie cutter are you gonna use first? Okay, go ahead. Flip it over so the sharp side's on the bottom. There you go. Push real hard. All right, let's see how it looks. Good job. All right, let's get it out. Let's look at your candy cane. Cool candy cane. Good job. All right, put it on the cookie sheet over there. Gingerbread man's next. Push real hard. Let's see. Look at that gingerbread man. All right, let's push him down a little bit harder so he'll cut all the way through. All right, there we go. Let's lift him up. He's cool. Okay, stick him over there with the candy cane. Good job. What about a Christmas tree? You want to do a Christmas tree?
Yeah.
You want to stick it right here? Okay. There you go. Push real hard. There you go. Let's see. Can I help you a little bit? That's a cool Christmas tree.
What candy cane?
Yeah, it's gonna be like the candy cane, isn't it? Which other one do we have? Don't we have one more? Or is that it? Oh no, we got the snowman. We got the snowman right here. See?
Thanks.
Can I press the snowman? Thank you. All right, let's press the snowman. Check him out. Look at that cool guy. All right, you want to stick him over there with him? You like those?
I did.
Now we can roll this dough back up and roll it back out and make some more. Okay? We have to bake the ornaments so that the dough will be hard and we can paint it. So we have to put them in the oven at 250 degrees for 90 minutes. Let's go ahead and do that, and then when we come back, we can paint them, okay?
Okay.
All right, here we go. In the oven. Our ornaments are finished. They're nice and dry, aren't they, Rhett? Which one are you working on? Are you working on the candy cane? And now Addison's home, and which one are you working on, Ad?
The gingerbread.
The gingerbread man or woman. And we're using acrylic paint, and then the paint will dry.
Go.
That's a girl? Yeah, it is a girl. The paint will dry, and then we can go hang them up. They're beautiful. You're doing such a good job. Before we put the ornaments in the oven to bake, we used a toothpick to create a hole at the top for a hook or a piece of ribbon to hang on the tree. Hey, can you show me your cool ornament? Let me see that cool guy. He looks really good on both sides. You can't eat that ornament. Did you have fun making ornaments today? Now we're ready for Christmas. All right. Let's see Addison's finished product. Where's yours? Yeah, that's yours. Oh yeah, you did a Christmas tree too.
This is my very interesting gingerbread.
That looks like an Addison gingerbread woman.
Yes.
They look really good. You did a good job. All right, Rhett, you gonna hang up your Christmas tree ornament? Good job, buddy. It looks great. Look at that. Sister's turn.
Do you think this looks like the tree, sorta?
Yeah. An ornament tree for our Christmas tree. It's beautiful. You guys did so good. Thanks for joining us today. Hit like and subscribe so you don't miss out on more learning and fun.